What's good, everyone? Good morning. My Google Maps is talking, but it is a really goddamn early morning. We are trying to hit a sunrise at this cool, old-looking bridge. But yeah, we are going to try and fly some FPV through this. We are driving right now. We'll be there shortly. Never been here before. Let's go and check it out. Guys, we are out here. Look at this, man. We are at the bridge. I think it used to carry water or something out here in Western Sydney. Dude, this is insane fine. Look at the symmetry ramp in between here. Damn, this is so cool. So, what I'm thinking is, alright, we've got to somehow thread the drone through these tunnels and maybe through my legs. I don't know how that's gonna work, but We'll give it a go. Wow, this is just so cool. It's really early right now. Hopefully my drone doesn't wake up anyone. I saw some magpies. I don't want to get swooped by a magpie. I don't want my drone to get swooped by a magpie. So with my normal 5-inch quad, unfortunately, I had the dumbest crash. My bolts weren't screwed on tight enough, and then the propeller just cut through its motor, which is such a SMH. I'm just flying here, man. I wasn't even going fast. I had no idea what happened. And I picked my drone up. Next thing you know, what is going on here? How did this come off? And I think I fried the ESC. I'm still trying to fix that. So in short, I was just like, alright, whatever. I'm gonna buy a new drone. But yeah, let's put it in the air and send it. Alright, man, that was insane, dude. First pack, oh my god, I was nervous. Like, my first 2 packs of low-key crashed. Like, I'll just roll that over here, but that was so sick, just zooming down these tunnels. So dope. We gotta send it again, man. We'll go for it again. I see this little, like, tree gap, like, over there. Let me try and show you. Right there. I want to send it through that gap there in the trees. And hopefully, we can get the shot, just mix it up. We'll weave around the tunnels for a little bit more, and yeah, man, this is an incredible place to just like check it out. Thankfully, no magpies have attacked me yet. This is so sick. You're gonna see what I end up getting. Hopefully it's good, and if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe. Let's send it one more time.